Hello, in this video we will show how to measure waveform parameters for single-ended oscillator devices covering LVCMOS and clipped sine signaling types. For this measurement we need EVB with pre-programmed SiTime device and appropriate loading, high impedance, high bandwidth active probe, high-end oscilloscope providing high sample rate, 20 gigasamples per second at minimum, and high bandwidth, 6 GHz at minimum. Typical load for LVCMOS devices is 15 pF to ground, and typical load for clipped sine wave devices is 10 pF in parallel with 10 kΩ to ground. We will use LVCMOS device in our example. For valid measurements we need to set probe and oscilloscope properly. To start with oscilloscope setting, let's start acquisition. Turn off unused channels and turn on the channel where probe is connected. Let's use same channel for synchronization and rising edge of the signal. As a first step we need to configure probe. For single-ended signal measurement, probe has to be configured to single-ended mode. For that we need to select probe mode radio button. We do not use any of external scaling, attenuator, DC block or extension cables, so none of these checkboxes should be selected. In probe head model section we need to select probe head model we are using. To get best measurement result, please make sure probe is calibrated. Once probe is configured correctly, we can proceed with other settings. For initial oscilloscope setting, we can use autoscale option. We recommend to stretch signal to fill maximum of the vertical screen scale, but avoid signal clipping. This will provide full utilization of oscilloscope ADC range and minimize its quantization error. In Setup Acquisition menu we need to check sampling mode should be real time, sin x by x interpolation should be auto. For improving measurement precision, averaging can be used. Let's enable averaging and set average count to 16. Sample rate set to maximum possible. Bandwidth set to maximum possible as well. Acquisition mode should be normal. For waveform parameters, we are typically interested in rise-fall time, amplitude and duty cycle. Let's add the measurements. Rise-fall time of SiTime LVCMOS devices is specified for either 20% to 80% thresholds or 10% to 90% thresholds. In our example, we are using our Elite Platform TCXO device for which rise-fall time is specified for 10% to 90% threshold, so we will set it in the measurement threshold settings. Now everything is ready for the measurements. Let's stop the current acquisition. Clear the results collected previously. start acquisition again and stop after we collected some statistics. Results are displayed at the bottom of the screen and we are interested in mean values collected over all captures. We can see threshold time of about 1.15 nanoseconds, amplitude of about 3.2 volts, duty cycle of about 50%, which match the datasheet values. Please check our YouTube channel and official website for more videos and information. Subscribe and ring a bell to get notified about new videos instantly.